guys, what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are going to be making healthy pizza waffle. This is the kind of waffle that you can eat for breakfast, lunch, snack and even for dinner. It's that healthy. Ingredients with the measurement will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out, and also don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's get started with the recipe. Guys, the waffle pizza came out to be so delicious, and it has a crunch from the onions and peppers, and jalapenos made all the difference. If you don't like jalapenos, don't add it, but if you like it, then it's just gonna taste amazing. And I dipped it in the marinara sauce. Oh, so good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye bye.